My name is Maria Nunez. I am a mother of two children, ages 15 and 9. I came to Metro Volunteer Lawyers a couple years ago with a child support issue that I was needed some help with.
Well, my name's Steve Cook, and I was licensed to practice here in Colorado in 1996. And I came from Indiana, having visited and fell in love with the area.
I heard about Colorado Legal Services from a friend that had a business card, and I shared with her the issues I was struggling with. I needed to find legal assistance. I needed some help. I just didn't know where to go, and she handed me that card. She said, "You may want to give him a call." I always thought I will have to find an attorney on my own, and it was going to be very expensive.
The law profession, in my estimation, needs to be held to a high standard, and not just in the work that we do, but in the people that we help. And it can't just be for those who can afford it, because then I think we really miss our mark. We were handed the file, and I had an associate of mine with me, and we looked through the file and got an understanding of what the issues were and what we were going to be dealing with, and then introduced ourselves to you and found a quiet space to kind of talk about the case.
I felt that I was in the middle of a big support group, that I was among people that knew about family law, that they knew the laws, which I didn't. I didn't understand a lot of part of my case.
The Metro Volunteer Lawyers Program, they have the ability to help those people with real problems that can probably make the difference between success or failure in their lives.
The father and I came to an agreement on how things were going to be handled from now on, and how visitation, child support payments, and overall decisions for the well-being of our daughter. Shortly after finishing that whole child support, attending to court, I went to personal training school for a year, and I graduated.
It's tremendous to see how much that helped Maria to grow. And the opportunities that you've been able to achieve and provide even more support for your daughter. So it's really nice to see how that worked out in your case.
Yes, absolutely. I agree. Yeah, a lot of that after everything fell into place in our lives, and sometimes you have to go through experiences that are not easy in your life but are necessary, and having that support I'm very, very grateful, because I don't think I could have handled the case on my own.
It doesn't take an extraordinary person to volunteer, because all the extraordinary work has already been done by MVL. Every attorney could find 3 hours once every 2 months to volunteer and help out tremendously with the program.
After finding Metro Volunteer Lawyers and what they did for me at no cost, I think this is one of the benefits that should never disappear, because they provide so much for the community.